Okay, welcome to another tutorial. Okay, like I always say, this channel is half bread, or let's say half knowledge. Half knowledge can be dangerous, but half bread is better than none. Okay, so today I'm just going to be giving out a free pack for those who want to, be those want to dive into video editing. You need a free pack for your sound, clean motion free pack. Okay, so I'm just going to play few of them so you get to see what you actually get. Remember all these sounds, 82 free clean motion sounds will be given out for free. Can hear them, will be given out for free. All these sounds will be given out for free. I tell you, for free. So what you just have to do is to go into the comment section and then follow the link in the comment section. So you get all these sounds, 82 free clean motion sound pack. Okay, so if you like this sound pack, if you are happy with what I'm actually giving out, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.